This is Sasha the Diva and
Doug Amar.
he is a lawyer. What?
Don't hold it against me.
Okay, he is such a nice guy. Okay, this is what's going to happen. So many times things are happening and you need to ask a lawyer, right? Because you're in a situation and you might not have the money to do so. Well, he is with the Georgia Justice Project. This is nonprofit, right?
Correct.
So you know what that means.
We don't charge our clients.
It's free. Say it.
It's free.
The lawyer just said it. Free, 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 free. But some things have changed in Georgia, and we wanted you to know about it. Okay, so since July 1st, what has gone down?
So our office has worked for years to change the law on how you get something off your record in Georgia. And so as of July 1st of this year, the law is entirely different. If you have an arrest on your record that did not lead to a conviction, it can come off automatically if the arrest is after July 1st. But even if it's before July 1st, it comes off faster, quicker, and cheaper than it did before we had the law change.
Okay, so you might be sitting there going, child, I can't get a job. They keep running my credit. I don't have money. I need some help. Okay, so this is like a great thing. So are we talking about I've gotten pulled over, I got a ticket, I didn't go to court, I got arrested.
Right.
We're also talking about someone who's possibly murdered somebody?
No, right now the law does not impact people who are convicted of things.
Okay.
And it only impacts, it does impact small convictions. If you were convicted before you were 21 of a misdemeanor, it can come off your record. If you're arrested but not convicted, it can come off your record. And like I said, it comes off your record faster, easier, and cheaper than it did before the 1st of July.
Now, this is supposed to be an automatic thing.
Right. Going forward, if you're arrested like today, going forward, and you're not convicted, it comes off automatically. But you don't have to do anything. You don't have to apply for it.
But you should check, right?
It's always good to check.
Now,
Just like your credit record.
Yeah, so check, okay? Because you don't want to apply for a job and they pull the credit and it's there on your record. So what do we do to check?
You can just go to a police office. I mean, you can come to our office. We pull records from the police.
For free?
Well, actually, the cost is $5.
Okay, $5.
With $5.
Just $5.
Most police stations charge about $15 to pull the record from the state to look at your arrest record and your conviction record. So that's good to do. And a lot of folks do that. And in fact, employers do that. That's why you should be concerned about it. Because if you're applying for a job, an employer will often say, do you mind if we pull your criminal history? And they're going to do it sometimes whether they ask or not.
And they ask and you done got all nervous, okay? I don't want you to get nervous. I want you to check out their website, gjp.org, or you call them at 404-827-0027. Okay, take me through the process. I done called. Am I going into a voicemail or getting automation?
We have people who answer the phone, but we have so many people who call that many calls do go to voicemail.
Okay.
And we have folks, volunteers and interns and staff, who will call folks back, walk them through a process, and then they can come into the office, fill out an application. We get the record. A lawyer looks at the record, who's used to these things, and then we'll call you back and say whether or not we can help you, depending on the severity of your record and the law.
Now, how many lawyers do you have in your office?
I guess five lawyers, about 3 paralegals, 3 social workers, and a few others.
Are they all like you?
In that,
you just have all this great energy.
I don't know about that.
You just sound like you know what you're doing.
I've been doing this a long time.
Okay, and how many years has that been?
I've been doing this in this organization for 23 years.
Wow, giving back.
Yeah, no, that's right. It's about service. It's about calling. It's about helping folks out.
So ask the lawyer. All right, the name of the organization is the Georgia Justice Project. Their website address?
gjp.org.
And your phone number?
404-827-0027.
Don't be scared now. See you guys.